And here he is, ladies and gentlemen, Jokey the Clown, singing 50,000 names. There's teddy bears and high school rings, old photographs that mama brings, the daddies with their young boys playing ball. There's combat boots they used to wear when he was sent over there. And there are 50,000 names carved in the wall. There are cigarettes and there's cans of beer and notes that say I miss you, dear, and children who won't say anything at all. There's Purple Hearts and packs of gum, fatherless daughters and fatherless sons. There are 50,000 names carved in the wall. They come across this land in pickup trucks and minivans, searching for a boy from long ago. They scan the wall and find his name, then teardrops fall like pouring rain. Then suddenly they leave a gift and go. There are stars of David and rosemary beads and crucifixions, figurines, and flowers of all colors, large and small.